flying away. They're flying away. Don't let them all go.
They're gonna get. They're
They're
go.
gonna get in the house and turn into shit. Shit'll go everywhere.
No, but I hear the bunny's crackling.
Is that what that is? It's
Yes.
smoking. The pan is smoking.
Yeah, that's our good pan. We just bought that.
I'm not gonna say anything.
They're like everywhere, boss. Those are little maggot shells. They done cracked open and turned into flies and flew away.
Because I don't want to fuck bunny.
Yeah, that's why I wasn't gonna cook them, because they're gonna smell.
Burning shit.
Huh?
God damn it.
We've got serious maggot problem on here.
I mean, like, terribly bad.
And okay, well, I don't have a problem being with a one-legged girl.
Why not? I mean, hey, Adam, come here. You want some?
No, I'm good, dude. Seriously.
Seriously, I mean, you can have some if you want. There's a spoon and everything.
Whoa, that.